guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, I'm so excited for today's episode because finally it's here. I feel that I have been on hiatus in doing a luxury bag unboxing, but for today, I'm happy to share my latest acquisition. So I got a new bag from YSL Laurent, and that's what we are going to be doing for today. Is I would be doing a luxury bag unboxing. So this is going to be exciting. That is why, guys, please stay until the end of our episode and let us enjoy my new bag together. Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so guys, so just a quick commercial before we do the bag unboxing. So we have here a very beautiful piece from Balenciaga. So actually the stories, guys, honestly, I just purchased all of these today and I wanted to film immediately so I could start posting and sharing this new vlog for you. So what we have here, so we have from Balenciaga. So do you have any clues what this is? So let me reveal in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Okay, so it still has the tag. So we got a new sunnies from Balenciaga. So this is still the era of them now. So let me just show this to you. So I love actually this one. So we have here the logo. Wait, it's not focusing. So we have here the logo of Balenciaga. So let me just wear this for you. Super cool, super chic, and later maybe you're going to find out why I thought of purchasing this sunny. So now let us move on to our bag unboxing. Alright guys, so now let us move on to the main event for the evening. So we have here my new YSL St. Laurent bag. So I think this is again the very first time that I'm doing a bag unboxing. I went to Tokyo, Japan. If you could remember, I still keep posting on vlogs. Unfortunately, I did not purchase any bags because I think I was more focused on Pop Mart. All of the Lavubus I purchased from there. But finally, we went to a big sale event and I saw this one and I knew I have to have it. So guys, do you have any clue what YSL bag we have here? This is actually one of my wish lists and I was dying to have this and add to my collection. I think when we went to Hong Kong, I was also eyeing this one, but also I did not purchase it. I purchased a different bag when we went to Hong Kong. So now let us do the reveal. Wait, the dust bag is tight. Okay, so here we have, so this is a brand new, take note, a brand new Saint Laurent bag. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, look at the color, guys. Oh, wow. So we have the classic YSL or Saint Laurent Sak De Jour size mini. Oh my god, she is glowing as you can see. So I think, I'm not sure if the camera is capturing her, but the color of this one, guys, is fluorescent or neon pink. That is why actually when I saw this one, when I went inside the Saint Laurent store, and of course I immediately, my eyes went straight like went straight directly to this bag because just look at her. Even though from afar you could see this bag. So what I wanted, or what the reason why I wanted this bag, of course, let me just show you guys how it looks like and maybe perhaps do a little bit of bag comparison. So the size of this one is mini. If you are not familiar, the Sak De Jour, this is one of the classic lines of YSL. This has been, you know, in the store they have been keep on producing this. Maybe if you are going to walk a Saint Laurent store right now, if I'm not mistaken, you could still see a Sak De Jour bag. So this one, so maybe do a quick size comparison. So we have here my Alma BB and this is the Sak De Jour. So that is one of the main reason why I wanted to purchase this Sak De Jour. So number one, of course, the color. So for me, with my wardrobe, I always wear all of the time like mostly dark colored clothes, so black on black, and I felt, just look at this one. So if I'm wearing black and then I'm wearing this pop, so it is going to be really a statement on my outfit. Then number two, guys, OMG, just look at the size of this one. So as per my comparison with my Alma BB, definitely, because when I'm carrying this one, actually I could survive the entire day. So maybe we're going to do a little bit of what fits inside, but definitely it fits all my essentials, everything here. So when I saw this one, I knew instantly that it would also fit all of the essentials and I could survive the entire day. And then of course, number 2 reason, or was it number 3, why I purchased this one is because the size of this one, aside from it being functional, with the color of this one being a neon or fluorescent pink, I feel that it is going to be perfect for me to be carrying at, you know, any fashion parties that I would be attending, like maybe fashion dinners, product lunches, or fashion shows. This is going to be a perfect, you know, conversation starter because of her very beautiful color. So now let's do a little bit of inspection. So of course we got a 2 bags over here. So this is for the bag, and we got another dust bag, and this is for the, it comes of course with a adjustable leather crossbody strap. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 adjustments or holes wherein you can adjust. Of course, the hardware is like a brass stone hardware, which I super love, as you can see. So that is fully detachable. Very nice feature. And then of course, let me just put it here. Okay, so we have of course the card of YSL over here, where it has the prices and all of that. So let me just check the card, because honestly I haven't seen what inside. I had a YSL bag before, but it is just a clutch bag, and unfortunately that clutch bag is no longer with me. So here, oh okay, this is nice because it says here, so this is the product card, guys, if you are interested. So it says here 2023, so good. So this is year 2023. It's really not that old. And then here we have, so some details like the name Sak De Jour or SDJ Nano. Then of course we have some French words here, avec port CL. I'm not really sure what that is. And then of course we have more details on the card. Okay, now let's more focus on the bag. So of course, classic Sak De Jour. Another reason why I love this bag, because you know guys, you know how much I love my bags right now, being understated, very minimal logo. I really love using my Louis Vuitton Alma PM size in the black epi leather because it doesn't have any logo. So this is one of the feature of the Sak De Jour, because as you can see, this is like a if you know you know kind of bag. It doesn't have any screaming logos, but if you are going to focus, if you're unfamiliar, just like with the Hermes Birkin, so we are going to see the gold stamp of Saint Laurent Paris over here. So actually this is, I think, also inspired by the Birkin, if I'm not mistaken. And years ago, to be honestly guys, this is truly on one of my wish list bag, because when I was starting my bag collection years ago, I saw this one. There is a nano size, and I came this close in purchasing the nano size. Something just stopped me because I felt that it's teeny tiny and I had so many micro bags, so I did not purchase this. So luckily now I have it. So the interior of the bag is black. I think, I'm not sure if this is lambskin or soft calfskin leather, but it is genuine leather. It is very spacious enough. And we have here so we have here the keys. So it has like the grommets over here. So there is like, you can stick it inside the part of the bag so you are not going to lose it. And then of course it has the rings over here. So 1, 2, so and you could attach the detachable shoulder strap. And then guys, we have the beautiful leather clochette. And of course the leather clochette comes with the classic, of course. Ooh, it is like my YSL earrings, as you can see. So brass stone YSL hardware, and look at that. Look at the very beautiful craftsmanship. So here we have the side of the bag. So it is gusseted. And another feature of this bag, so here at the front you could snap off, and then at the back you could also snap off. So that, for example, you want to maybe put more stuff inside your bag. So that is one of the very beautiful feature. And then here at this side, I'm not sure if you could see, we are going to see the gold stamping of YSL. And then at the bottom part, sorry guys, my voice, I still have cough. So at the bottom part, I could still see the serial number and the stamping of YSL. Super, super chic. So now, let me just attach the strap. One moment. Okay, so now I am just attaching the strap. And then of course, so you could carry this. Another reason why I fell in love with the Sak De Jour's Sak De Jour bag years ago. Of course, the multiple ways you could use this bag. So definitely, she is perfect as a hand carry. So of course, her handles are big enough that I could carry her at the crook of my arm. And then of course, since it comes with the detachable strap, you could wear this one as a long shoulder bag like this, or even carry her as a, look at this one. Ooh, super nice. It hangs really nicely. So I felt that this bag, I was actually imagining myself how many ways and how many times I could carry this bag. And I could also tell immediately that during my travels, of course, I could carry this bag. The only flaw that I could think of with this bag is because, of course, she doesn't have any zipper. So when you are going to carry, all the stuff are just inside over here. But of course, since this is just a small bag, I think I would still be able to make it work, so that of course I would be able to avoid pickpocket, someone putting their hands inside my bag without any permission. So what else do I love about this bag? So let us check more of the features. This one, guys, just look at this one. She has 5 metal feet, so still the plastic is intact on some of them. And of course, it would be a protection if you're going to lay your bag on the top of any table. But of course, I would advise not putting your luxury bags on the floor, on the ground, because it would damage the leather of our goods. Then of course, very, very spacious. So as you can see, sunnies, definitely you could put in my phones. Let me just get my phone. So this is iPhone 11 Pro. You could put in, and as we can see, we have lots of space. Then of course, another phone over here. Then of course, you could put your maybe a full-size wallet, keys, your makeup, lipstick, everything would be here. Oh my god, guys, what do you think of this bag? Super, super beautiful. And guys, look, oh my god, so I have of course my new Labubu, my version 4. There are the tiny size Labubus. So I was actually thinking she doesn't have any hardware in this bag. So I was imagining, oh, how can I attach my Labubus? But oh my god, I have just discovered, so since this you can snap off. So snap that off, put your Labubus there, and voila. So as you can see, so they are like the same colored family, all pink, bright pink colors. And oh my god, doesn't my new bag looks perfect? Like it screams my name. So guys, could you help me with the name of this bag? I am thinking of 2 names. So number 1, of course, I'm thinking of naming my new YSL Sak De Jour bag as Elle Woods, because isn't she Elle Woods worthy? Bright pink, fluorescent pink, like for example, you're going to see her, definitely it is going to put a smile on your face. The second name that I'm thinking is Nicki Minaj, because of this bright fluorescent pink colorway, because I could remember when she started, she loves, you know, wearing electric or neon pink. Oh my god, I'm so happy, to be honest, guys. And the best part of, I haven't shared to you, this one, guys, I got it, you know, on sale. So it was perfect, such a good price, brand new bag from, of course, our Saint Laurent store here. And luckily, I was able to snag her. Sorry, my battery died on me. So we went to the store around 9 or 10 in the morning, and we were the first one. And of course, we knew that there is a sale of Saint Laurent bags, and of course I went immediately to the sales section, and this one, guys, really called my name since I went to the stores, like, so that is why I got this one. I had it saved from the cashier, and then of course I have to check out the other bags, and luckily this is my choice. This is such an excellent choice. And I feel, guys, oh my god, I know there may be a danger of color transfer, but the best part is the material of this one is like, it could be comparable to the Saffiano leather of Prada because it is the full grain leather. I could feel the texture, so it's not the softer, like the softer leather, which is very easy to damage. This one, guys, this is going to be hard wearing, and she is going to be a hard working bag for me. I'm so excited, and I feel so lucky, and I'm very, very, very happy and ecstatic to have her and add to my bag collection. There, guys, oh my god, so what do you think of my new bag? Guys, please do comment down below what should I name my bag. Would it be number 1, Elle Woods, number 2, Nicki Minaj? Then of course, guys, thank you for staying with me until this part of this vlog. If you have stayed until this part, kindly leave me any pink emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!